Hey everybody, let's create a photo filter. The picture preview should update in real time. It'll be made with Java, and there will be color sliders. So, ChadGPT got us the code. We'll create a new project in our IntelliJ window, and we'll call this photo filter. Let's get started. So I'll need to scroll up. This is an image tint app, so I'm going to have to copy this. Now I'll have to stop my program that was running, and I'm going to create a new Java class. If I can get my touchpad to work right. And we're going to call this image tint app, as is in the red in the line. Public class image tint app extends JFrame on the left. To get these that are in red, you just click on them and press Alt Enter, and that should get all the imports that you need if your Java is set up correctly. We're just using simple ones. No need to download any special jars for this program. What's a jar? What's extends mean? What's going on? Let me tell you. We're going to have a video where we cover just the basics, the terminology. All right, let's see how this is going. We'll choose our image. It's gonna take me a while, but I'll learn to have my picture ready and on the first screen there. But for now, let's go get. I'm at the farm. Perfect. So we'll try it. We slide it. Doesn't seem to be any change. There isn't any change. So I ask ChatGPT again to. No, let's see. We'll tell it that it's not working. So that's the only class that it gave us. So we'll just tell it sliders aren't working. They're not changing the tint of the picture. Correct my typos. So here, apologies. This is the new upload image method. A method is just any of these sections you see that start with the orange and have the other colored orange. So here is our update image, and we have to get the correct amount of brackets from the bottom to the top of the message. It's not the right amount because of that if statement. So we need 2 brackets on the bottom, and we'll just paste right over that. Notice this also has 2 brackets on the bottom. That's not necessarily going to be true every time. You can see that there's 2 opening brackets, one on the end of private void update image, and the next on the end of if selector color is not null. Exclamation equals marks means not. Equals means equals. What else do we got going on here? We got a local variable called colored tinted. Okay, got the new picture. Let's see if this changes. It does not. So we'll ask it to get us a button. And whenever that button's pressed, then it'll change the color if everything goes well. So I just told ChatGPT that's not quite it. Let's add a button to update the image, and the image that should be updated with the tint is the original image. They were giving us back our already tinted, pre-tinted image, so eventually it just went to black. But we'll take this class and copy it into our image tint app. It said it was good. but it didn't work again. So I just gave it all of our classes, the image class, image tin app class, and slider class. Said it didn't work. So took each one of these, pasted them back in. Eventually found that that wasn't the answer. We were missing one line, which I had to manually fix. It is over in the image change on line 13. I'm going to throw in original image equals image icon. Image icon was in the key signature, I guess. Yes, in the key signature it says image icon, image icon. So I made the original image equal that whenever the image was changed. So I do this on my Moving Mountains, movemou.org. It's my nonprofit that I set up. But now our sliders all change the color automatically. It's a beautiful thing we got going. So this is even a more finished product than what's at the end of the video that says the finished product. We got our image viewer with our update button. Slide the blue all the way to the right, we get a blue tinted picture. Slide the green all the way to the right, got the green tinted picture. Let's throw in some red, should get some yellow. Wonderful. Now if we slide them all to the right, we're going to just get the original screen. If we have them all slid all the way to the left, it's a black screen. We got our purple with our yellow or red and blue. We can adjust these, make a darker purple color. We can play around with it. We can definitely make this a better program. We play around with it some more. We can add some numbers to the slide bars. We can have the picture automatically update every time slider is slid. But for the time allotted, a pretty good make. This used to take hours. Now we can do it in 5-10 minutes. So major win with productivity. We're going to make some cool stuff together. And how to do this, please click subscribe below.